Meditation is an alchemy that transforms contradictions into complementaries. Meditation is a state of being, of deep stillness within, whereas work always involves action. There has to be a balance between the two. This balance is your intrinsic nature, given to you naturally by existence. It is your natural state, but it is accessible to you in such a simple and natural way that it totally bypasses an individual's attention and he hardly casts his eye on it. Things which are most valuable in life are easily available. Simple truths which now seem complicated and shrouded with mystery keep on occurring very naturally in our day-to-day life. But an individual remains indifferent and so has lost touch with them and pays no heed in that direction. Just focus on your body. Your body is a miraculous combination of consciousness and matter, a unique attunement of the gross and the subtle. It does not seem like nature has erred in linking these opposing elements together, and life has been placed in any sort of difficulty because of it. Life's intelligence has never been doubted or questioned in creating such a wonderful and delicate harmony. In fact, difficulties in life arise only when there is a disharmony between consciousness and matter. When this communion of the gross and the subtle gets disturbed and an imbalance is created between this body-mind mechanism, which happens due to your unconscious and mechanical lifestyle. When you remain alive and alert and make it your way of life, then this balance and attunement is never lost and you get connected to your beingness forever, which is your eternal nature.